It's an honor to join you in this journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Hello and welcome to a taste of sorts of good things to come. If you're here, you're likely tired of living on packaged ultra-processed foods full of refined sugars, hydrogenated oils, harmful additives and preservatives that leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, irritable, and vulnerable to chronic disease. I've been there. I know the power of food because I lived it. I'm Rebecca Thompson, a certified functional medicine health coach. I wasn't feeling my best, and eventually I was diagnosed with severe and chronic disease in my intestines. It took a serious health scare for me to wake up to the power of eating fiber-filled plants and amino-rich proteins and healthy fats. To feel better, I needed to learn how to eat better. And to eat better, I needed to learn how to cook. And it worked. You can hear my story later, but for now, know that I get it. We want food to taste delicious. We want food to be good for us, and we also have busy lives. We follow what I call my 5 trusted, easy to repeat cook well steps. So you can go from feeling frustrated with eating packaged ultra-processed foods that leave you bloated and at risk for chronic disease, to feeling confident in cooking nutrient-rich whole foods for a longer, healthier life. 5 trusted, easy-to-repeat cook-well steps that are like a superpower, a process, a formula you won't find anywhere else for cooking as a way of life. Because simple, basic cooking skills repeated over and over again allow us to eat healthy, which stacks the deck in our favor for a longer, healthier life. The best cooking method is the one you'll use more than once because it's easy. We don't need more recipes. We need to learn to cook without them. Welcome to this little corner of the internet where I give you a sneak peek, a behind-the-scenes look and feel of my online cooking course. There's a link to a free sample class in the notes. But for now, for here, may these sneak peeks bring a bit of peace and ease to your otherwise chaotic or busy day. And I invite you to subscribe so you won't miss out on our delicious, nutritious weekly posts. Thank you for being here and for your practice toward your well-being. Enjoy.